Bata fish, turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt, black cumin seeds, ginger, chili pepper, tomatoes. I'll be coating the fishes with the spices for marination. Turmeric, red chili powder, and salt. We don't need to marinate this for long. Set aside for 15 minutes. We are going to chop the tomatoes. Chopping the ginger. Grate some of the gingers. Slit the green chilies. We are going to use mustard oil for this recipe. Fry the fish in batches. Fry for 2 minutes on each side. Peeling potatoes. I'm going to cut them into wedges and add them to the recipe. Potato wedges. Adding the finely chopped ginger in the same oil, followed by the cumin seeds, add the potato wedges before the ginger changes color. Fry the potatoes until half done. I'm going to cover the pan preparing a paste with turmeric powder, red chili powder, the grated ginger, and salt. Added water and dilute the spices. Checking the potatoes. The potatoes are half done. I'm going to add the diluted spice. Cook this on medium heat until the oil separates. I'm going to put the lid on. Cook it for 3 to 5 minutes. Stir as and when needed. After around 3 minutes, I'm adding the chopped tomatoes. The diced or chopped tomatoes will release enough water for the potatoes to boil. Adding hot water. Put the lid on and let it boil. Slide in the fried fishes one by one into the boiling gravy. Garnish with the slitted chili pepper and chopped coriander leaves. Ready to serve.